Hey everybody, welcome to Prepper Junkie. Today I'm just doing a really quick video for you on the SureFire Warcomp flash hider. I just took it to the range, put some rounds through it. I'm going to play some footage for you in a second. Please don't give me a hard time about the camera angle. I didn't bring my nice camera equipment, and so it's basically cell phone footage at the wrong angle. But anyway, check it out. I'm using using Wolf Gold 223 55 grain in an AR-15, and here it comes.